We are looking at the Caribbean countries as a very, very important market. And actually, we have never had that type of big conference in the Caribbean countries. This is the first time to have the conference in Caribbean here in Curacao.
And of course, your representative here is Auto City. They've been selling Isuzu since 2001, I understand. How has their sales performance been since they started?
We started the business with Auto City in 2001. And recently, their performance is very, very stable, and they are selling a lot of, especially our pickups. And last year, they get the #1 share here in Curacao. Yeah.
And speaking about pickups and your cars, what can you tell us about the product lineup?
We have pickups and the SUV. It's a derivative from our pickups. And as you know, we are a Japanese company, and we have longest history in Japan. And as well as the pickup and the SUV, we have trucks, many kinds of trucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And so, David, over to you from Auto City. Like we mentioned, you've proudly been selling Isuzu since 2001. So if my math is correct, that's for 14 years already. And now the conference is here. What does that mean for Auto City?
For Auto City, and especially Curacao, it means an honor and a privilege. Isuzu is not just any brand. Isuzu is tough, reliable. It is very, very much to a workhorse. People know that the trucks are reliable, and now with the pickups and the SUV, people now want a workhorse but also a family car. And we have everything. And as you know, 2010, we put 4x4 land next to Goisco. We made sure to go into Carnival, do sponsorships. Auto City is making sure that it can show how proud it can be for the Isuzu product in Curacao.